Hey everybody, George Weber here, Gwebberarts. This is just going to be a little quick video because, as you guys probably know, I've been repairing model train engines. You've probably seen some of the videos by now. And I just wanted to show you this because, well, this is kind of a first for me. So, I got this little train engine. And, you know, these come in the shop all the time, and basically, you know, we get told, oh, it doesn't run. Okay, great, it doesn't run, we'll fix it. No big deal. Sometimes it's a customer, sometimes it's stuff that, you know, we've got in some package somehow. But this one was a winner. I opened this up, and the first thing that's pretty obvious is that there's a few broken wires. You know, okay, so that's an obvious issue. But this was the clincher. Do you see what that is? That is a nail. Can't say I've ever found a nail in an engine before. Well, a track nail maybe, which is a little tiny thing, but not this. This is a great big nail. So I just wanted to share that with you guys in case you're ever sitting around playing with your engines and trying to figure out why is it not running right. Check for nails. All right, see you guys later. I gotta get this thing working.